Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for today's video because we are trying out the new summer release from Kylie Cosmetics. There's some interesting things released. Not really an eyeshadow palette, just more of a shimmer quad, and then some lip glosses. But we're gonna dive into it. We're gonna see what was released. We're gonna try it out. We're gonna see how I got this look using some of those products. And you're gonna have to let me know what you think. But you guys, before we jump into it, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications to new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to hit a big thumbs up. But if you wanna see how I got this look using some of the new releases from Kylie Cosmetics, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, so Kylie Cosmetics has released a summer collection and you made a purchase. There was a free gift. So I had this little makeup bag, super cute, and then it's filled with some goodies. This collection, they released a shimmer quad, which they released one like fall, winter time. So we have a new shimmer quad. We'll compare. And then there's some summer lip glazes. There's a highlighter balm. I picked up two of the new blushes from a previous release. I don't think they were part of the summer collection. I just hadn't picked them up prior. And then I did a repurchase on one of her lip kits because the liquid lipsticks that I had in my collection from her were the old formulation and expired. So I just repurchased the �𝐀𝐈𝐃𝐄𝐒 lip kits. So the liquid lipstick and the lip liner, we have those to play around with. I'm not sure. Do I need the liquid lipstick and lip liner along with one of the glazes? We'll see. We're going to swatch. We're going to play. But I'm intrigued to compare because I have some thoughts on the quad. All right, so this is the summer one. And I want to say it was like volume 2 or I don't remember how she named it on the webpage. But this has a pink, a champagne, a silver, and then a white with pink glitter. Very finely milled. And then the winter one, which I didn't end up using in a video or anything. When it arrived, it was a little bit broken. This one was popping out of the pan and I just never had a chance to play with them. Not on camera. I did play with them for work and very gorgeous. So this one has like a white with gold glitter, champagne, a whitish pink or an icy pink, and then a little bit deeper of a pink. But when you compare these, so the pinky tone in the summer release is a little bit deeper than the pink in this one. They're very metallic though. When you look at them, it is hard to get them to not be super metallic. Summer, winter. I'm intrigued to play around with this. The one with the pink glitter is very interesting to me. Now, there's not a regular eyeshadow palette in this release. I do prefer to have a matte shade in the crease and the outer V and then doing my shimmer in the center and the inner corner. So I did pull out one of her previous palettes. This is the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. It has all the shades that I could possibly gravitate towards. So you've got the pinky tones, you've got the brown tones. She has there's two palettes that she released in her new formulation for her brand. I can't find them. There was like a brown and then like a pinky mauve one. I can't find them. They're somewhere in the collection. I used to keep all my like brands together. We're going through the declutter series right now, you guys. So I'm pulling palettes out here and there trying to like declutter. So I couldn't find them. I'm sure I'll find them during the declutter, but we're gonna go ahead. I'm going to prime my eyes, use some of the shades in here just to get a good matte base, and then we will dive into the quad, swatch, and see which ones we want to put on the inner corner and the center of the eye. Okay, you guys, so I have my eyeshadow base a little bit deeper than I was planning on, but now we're gonna go into this shimmer quad. 4 different shades. I'm gonna swatch all of them and then put the palm of my hand. I don't need to go and do the full arm swatches for this. All right, they're very like smooth. Okay, those are the 4 shades. Really gorgeous. This silver, very pigmented. So this is Meta Galactic, Mauve Moon, Night Glow, and Pinky Gleam. All right, let's go ahead and right here. Ooh, look how glittery those are. I kind of want to do this pinky shade, which is Mauve Moon, and then Pinky Gleam, like in the inner corner. The 2 pinky shades, but I feel like this is going to give more of that pink, whereas this gives like the rose gold shimmer. Definitely like toppers, but I'm interested to see, like, I know what this one looks like on the eyes. Really gorgeous. Oh no, the one just like completely dove out of I'm not gonna mess with this anymore. Like, even though I've pressed it back in, like, it's still not in there securely. But they are gorgeous shades. Like, look at how gorgeous that is. That's the one that just fell out of the other one. It's fine. These 4 shades though in the summer release. Really gorgeous. All right, so let's dive into this shade right here, Mauve Moon, and then we're gonna pick up Pink Gleam, right? Yeah, Pinky Gleam. All right, so I'm gonna pick up Mauve Moon on my middle finger and then Pinky Gleam on my ring finger. Ooh, very gorgeous. I'm gonna place this right here in the center of the eye. Oh, that's pretty. Like I can see the pink as I apply it. It's like pink and silver. And then Pinky Gleam. Oh yeah, this has more intensity with that pinkness. Very finely milled, very shiny. Looks like a little like oil slick on the eye. Really like that. I can still see the brown shades like peeking through right there where I placed it. Okay, I like this. Okay, you guys, I kind of did my makeup out of order only because we were mostly doing the quad and I finished off my eyes with the palette that I had pulled from my collection. Now we just have blush, highlighter, and lips. The blush wasn't released during the summer collection. It was released probably about a month or 2 prior. And I have 2 of the shades. So this is the hybrid blush. It's like it looks like it's a cream to powder. Kind of remnant, like reminds me of the Natasha Denona cream to powder blushes that she's got. Really like that consistency. So I have mine in the shade Cheeky Mood. And then I also have Summer Sorbet. Funny enough, they're like similar, but one's pinky, one's a little bit more peachy. I had ordered one through Ulta. Didn't even realize or remember that I had done that. And then I ordered one from Kylie when I ordered the summer collection. And when I was going through my drawer, I was like, oh shoot. And then thankfully they were different shades. It was meant to be. So we're gonna do that. And then I also have a highlighter, what is this, Glow Balm? Dewy Balm Stick in Rose Dusk. I'm nervous for that one because not always do they perform well on powder. But I did all the rest of my makeup with the exception of blush, and we're going to dive in. Now, I'm going to swatch them. So we're going to go and swatch Cheeky Mood. Ooh, that's pretty. And then there's also Summer Sorbet. Ooh, I kind of want the peachy one. I think we're going to do Summer Sorbet. They're very similar. But I did already set my face because this is supposed to be kind of like a creamy powdery blush. It's pretty. It doesn't, like, it's kind of matte. There's a little sticker on here that I did not take off yet. Okay, yeah, it's definitely on the matte-ish side, but it does give like a smoothing effect. Really pretty. I like this. It is nice and buildable though, which I do appreciate. There are some deeper shades. I want to say there's like 8 or 10 different shades. These just happen to be some of the lighter shades. I didn't get any of the deeper ones. Really gorgeous. I like this. And the packaging is kind of like a soft velvety matte. Really like nice, soft to the touch. Packaging is nice. I also appreciate that it's not ginormous. Like I'm trying to save space and I prefer smaller. Not everyone does. You don't need to have a bajillion cheek blushes like I do, but I appreciate that it's on the smaller side. The component doesn't need to be huge. All right, so we have the Dewy Balm Stick in Rose Dusk. Let's go ahead and swatch this on the back of the hand. Ooh, she's gorgeous. Now, I don't think I'm gonna take this straight onto the face. I don't want it to move my makeup around. So I'm gonna see if I can put it on the back of my hand. It's now gonna be warmed up. Ooh. Okay. It's not moving my makeup, which I appreciate. I did not use it on my brow bone and my inner corner. I was kind of nervous with using it with a brush. So I did use a different highlighter. That'll be linked down below if you want to see what that is. It's pretty. I don't know if it's like my vibe. If it's still sticky and tacky, I don't know. I will see. We will try. I don't know if it's going to dry down. It probably won't because it's a dewy balm. It does give like a really pretty like glow. Okay. So it does have a really pretty glow. If it stays balmy though, if it doesn't dry down, I'm afraid. It makes me nervous because I do get oily, that depending on where it's at, if I push oils through outside of like the T-zone area for me, is it gonna make me like a grease ball everywhere else? Is this gonna start slipping and making my makeup not stay? It's pretty though. We'll do our lips and then we'll assess the Dewy Balm. So far, I don't hate it, but we'll see. Okay, so she did release the Supple Kiss Lip Glaze. Now for the summer, she also released a couple other shades. So I picked up the shade Rosy Day. This one has like a glittery, shimmery sheen. Ooh, really gorgeous. Let's see. Ooh, that is really pretty right here. So it has pink and gold glitter in it. That's gorgeous, guys. So 2 left and went into our bedroom. Dixon is hanging out in her cat tree. Dixon, that's not your space. What are you doing, Bubba? Are you looking? Come here. Dude, what are you doing? Are you okay? I love him. I also have the shade Lover Girl. Are you okay, bro? So this one doesn't look like it has glitter in it. It's just a shiny shade. And this has some pinky color to it. All right, now for lips, I think I'm gonna go in with the 𝐂𝐍𝐄𝐄 Lip Duo, and then I wanna try out the shade Rosy Day. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. And 𝐂𝐍𝐄𝐄 was one of like her viral, like one of her favorites too. Kind of a peachy tone. Just knocked it all over. And then the liquid lipstick. Okay. Let that dry down a little bit. While this is drying down, I'm gonna check the Dewy Balm. It's still beaming, but I feel like it's gonna be wet. Okay, so it's still kind of tacky, and it did kind of transfer, but it does feel like it's drying down. Okay, so maybe just go in and tap to like get the residual, but it is pretty. It does have a really pretty sheen. Yeah, like once I tapped it, it still has tackiness, but it doesn't feel like it's gonna like move around. It is pretty. I'll keep trying it out and see. All right, now that this is dried down, which was really quickly, and the time it took me to check this has dried. Now we're gonna go into Rosy Day, the Supple Kiss Lip Glaze. Oh, she's gorgeous. That is really pretty. I do like seeing the pink and gold glitter on the lips. I don't tend to put a lip gloss on top of a liquid lipstick because it does make it kind of defeats the point of that. It could start making it move around, but it is really juicy. It is really like slippy. I always check to see if it's gonna get those like tacky lip gloss strings. I hate that. Absolutely despise it. If a lip gloss does that to me, it's gone. It's immediately thrown away. It doesn't stay in the collection, doesn't go in the purse, doesn't get used again. It goes right in the rubbish bin. That's just me personally. That's my own preference. You guys, you're gonna have to let me know. Are you picking up any of the summer release from Kylie Cosmetics? The colors are really pretty. Do I think you need an all shimmer quad? Maybe not. I don't mind them because they're so finely milled. I can easily take them with me if I have a palette that I like and I just want to add something in a little bit more supplemental. The pinky shade, really gorgeous. Both shades together, really pretty. I like how my eyes turned out. Like I said, it is just a shimmer quad. So I did have to grab another palette to put in the brown and pinky tones in my outer V and my crease. That's up to you. That is preference. I do like a good shimmer. This one is very finely milled. It is super beautiful. The shades are gorgeous. I think I will get some use out of this. It's definitely something that I would probably take with me on a vacation. Even if I wanted to do just kind of like, I guess I could do it as a glitter like balm. Why not? Let's see. So we have this shade right here, which is kind of like a champagne. It's Meta Galactic. I'm gonna pick it up on my brush and right on top of the Dew Balm, just ever so slightly. Because there's nothing saying a shimmer quad is just for your eyes. Really pretty. Don't know that I need glitter on my nose, but you know what? You only live once. Did I need it? Probably not. Do I like it? You're gonna have to let me know what your thoughts are on the little shimmer quad. I want to say the price point is a little bit more than I would technically want to spend on a shimmer quad, but to each their own. The Supple Kiss Lip Glaze, this is my first time trying it. I will continue to try them out. Really pretty shade. Like how the glitter in it is finely milled, so I'm not feeling it. It's not gritty. Really pretty shade on top of the 𝐂𝐍𝐄𝐄 liquid lipstick and lip liner. Now, you guys are gonna have to put it in the comments. Let's have that conversation. And then the blushes. Let me not forget about the blushes. They are really pretty. I do like the formulation of them. Really pretty on the skin. And the dewy highlighter, we're gonna keep using it. It is pretty. I'll have to see what my makeup looks like before I take it off tonight and see if it moved around or if it stayed put. This is gonna budge. It's gonna transfer. It's lip gloss, but it's fine. Let me know your thoughts, put it in the comments, let's have that conversation. But you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. But you guys, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications, new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to get a big thumbs up. Until my next video, you guys, bye. And I'll see you in the next one.